I cannot come out, no. Then my speech becomes so slurred, no. Then after that, wow, frightened already, my daughter and my husband coming already, quickly put me down, So after that, I tell my daughter, cannot even come out, no. Oh, Siew Kim. We call ambulance. I immediately called Siew Kim. Then after that, she already taught my daughter, because my book is downstairs, So she asked my daughter to hold, my husband hold, my daughter listened to the phone, do the 16, 17, 18, 19 flow. Within half an hour, my slurred speech gone. Then after that, I know, because as being I'm an ex-nurse, I know something is not right. They call it transient ischemic attack. I admit myself to hospital, and then they do a brain scan. They say that although there's no infarct, but because of my age, there are some narrowing of the blood vessel, which is very natural due to aging, genetic factor, high blood pressure, not well controlled, and high cholesterol, not well taken care of. Right. So after that, they also found something in they do an echogram on my heart, says that, I might have some, aneurysm. Aneurysm means that maybe there's a blood clot there that's causing my transient ischemic attack. Then the following day, I did a heart scan, which also true. That's why she teach me what flow. I also do everything I also do. Really, I tell you, follow her very strictly. At the same time, I also chant very hard, But my heart scan turned to be abnormal, to be completely normal.
Let's say if somebody call you having a stroke, all right, first thing you must ask, which side is the weakness? Weakness means the hand or the face slant on one side, all right. That means you know that this side is affected. The brain, the opposite side of the brain is damaged. Okay, that could be a clot there or anything. So then you need to do 16, 17, 18, 19 flow, which is the right brain.
Opposite side.
Yeah. All right. So that means he has to do 16, 17, 18, 19. All right. And I basically like to do 16, 17, 18, 19 flow, right hand on 16. Okay. And left hand on little toe. The reason why is because remember, bladder flows, energies come down from the head all the way down and come to the little toe. All right, so mine's right hand on 16, left hand on little toe. I'm pulling this energy down here to the little toe. So my first step is actually doing the bladder flow, getting this. When there's a bleeding, that means there's excess energy in the brain. You need to bring it down. Okay, and subsequent, all right. So my first step will be right hands on 16, left hand on little toe. Then I complete the whole flow. Okay, the rest of the flow is basically for repair. The first step is to release the excess energy up into the toe, which is a bladder flow.